Hello everyone, today we got a Audi A6 to do the navigation upgrade. So we actually have done this job quite a lot before but never taken the video. Today I'm going to show you what's going to looks like. So previously we had done 2, 4, 6, 9 of the Audi MMI3G low upgrade. And this is another one here today. So let's have a look. So this one here is Audi A6 with the MMI3G low. So you can see it's typically a small screen with the lots of big edge here and the smaller size of the screen. And the resolution of screen is actually quite low, and no reverse camera, just showing the parking sensors. This is quite low resolution, and radio is the same. While media is very obvious, go to the source, so we can see only 4 source, while the 3G MMI3 Plus will have way more source. And the most important is the jukebox, because there's no hard drive inside. So here we can see the SD1, SD2, but there's no cover. While the 3G Plus, they got a cover, and the SD1, SD2, and also the SIM. This is the 3G low system navigation, and it's no navigation in New Zealand, because New Zealand only got a hard drive navigation. So in UK they use SD navigation, can put it here, but here there's no navigation at all. So go to the map, it's just nothing happened. So yeah, so that's the system, MMI3G low. So we'll upgrade it to 3G Plus and see what it looks like. And cluster here is obviously UK one as well, mile per hour. And yeah, it's the basic cluster with the like digital in the middle. So, but overall the car is quite good. It's quattro all-road car, so we have lots of options here can select. But yeah, we'll see what's finished looks like. Hello everyone, so now we got this all-road upgrade done. So let's have a look. That's the one. Right, so as you can see, the system has been upgraded to MMI3G Plus with the large screen navigation system. So we have car, and there is all sorts of selections, and one is obviously all-road for this car. Then telephone with Bluetooth music streaming, navigation, 2017 map, destination, so all sorts of functions here. And we have media, so obviously source. So we have jukebox, hard drive, and also Bluetooth music, which is way better than before. Radio, just normal radio, but large screen. Then we got yeah, then that's it. And we actually converted the speedo to 290 as well, 290. And yeah, that's pretty much what we do. 3G Plus, MMI3G Plus, from the small screen to the larger screen navigation system. Looks quite good.